I wanted to make a quick video that shows one of the new features in the latest release of GibbsCAM. This feature is called multi-part. What multi-part lets you do is duplicate your operations for a part across your table in a grid pattern or in a line, and it does all of this without having to create new geometry or redoing or recalculating any of your toolpath. Let me show you how this works. If we go up to the document control dialog here, it's in this tab here that says multi-part. Let me show you what I have before I go ahead and duplicate it. So I just have these three toolpaths that use two different tools. Pretty basic stuff. Multi-part will duplicate as many operations as you have on the part. So let's go to document control dialog, multi-part, and part duplication. I'm going to zoom out here. So I've already made my measurements to know what the safe distance is for my offsets. Let's say I wanted 4 parts that were offset in the X 10 inches. I don't need to redo or recalculate. It's just that easy. When I hit OpSim, it offsets, and then there are my toolpaths. There are a few options I'd like to cover with multi-part. One is that was equally spaced, so that's just in a straight line. Let's talk about a grid. So I want 4 parts going in my X, and I want 3 parts in my Y. The spacing on those 3 parts is going to be 5 inches. When we look at this, we see that it's doing each tool for each part individually. If we'd like to finish one part at a time, down here there's complete each part first. Let's go ahead and rewind it and play it. We can also set how the machining order happens with this grid pattern. Right now it's set at Y first, so it's going in the Y direction and it's doing a zigzag. If I just wanted to go from the left to the right in the X, we can say one way, X first, rewind it, and play it. There's a lot of really great options with this. You can also define positions if you don't have a grid pattern, if these are set in an array or you want to skip instances or something like that. It's really, really easy to do. That is multi-part in the latest version of GibbsCAM. If you have any questions about multi-part or the latest version of GibbsCAM, please feel free to call your reseller or give GibbsCAM technical support a call. Thank you.